welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our Plan With Me January video, and this is my very first month of bullet journaling, and I think I've dived in quite a bit, but I'm really excited about what we're doing with this because I think that everyone can do it, and I think that it's going to be super fun. So to get started, I am going to be using a few different things from our printable planner partners from the Planner Club, as well as you guys can find these on Etsy. I will put the links in the description, or you can become a planner patron for $5 a month. You'll get all of our printables for free. Okay, so what we're using this month is we're kind of just gonna go with the Auntie-Tay theme. January is really cold for me, so I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, and everything I found I just wasn't in the mood for, because anything I can do to pick me up in January is the best. So what I like to do before each month, and I'm just making that up because I'm just starting, but what I think I'm gonna like to do is I'm gonna pick 4 different washi tapes to work with for the entire month, and I'm gonna stick to those 4, and that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna stick to just 3 different colors to use, and I think I accidentally chose 4 colors. So I'm gonna use blues, pink, that's not pink, that's purple, green, gray, and then of course black. So I know that everyone in the community is all about the Micron pens and the little pens like that, but I'm just starting out with my Friction pen because I got it in the 0.7, which is kind of thick for a planner, for a bullet journal, but I love these pens and they're erasable. So when we're just starting out, these are gonna be good, and I love them. And they come in a bunch of different colors, but like I said, we're gonna start with just this. And then I'm also going to use my Friction highlighters because they are also erasable. So if I screw up or I get dumb and do something that I'm not supposed to do, I can erase those as well, okay? And then these are the Sioux color pens, and I have not seen any other bullet journals use them, bullet journalers, but I have them on my Amazon store, and they are brush tip on one end and that on the other. But I will let you know that the brush tip is not the best for calligraphy, and I'm still trying to master calligraphy, but I don't think I'm going to. That's why I have my handy dandy stickers. Okay, then we're also using some scrapbooking paper from Hobby Lobby, and these all came in a pack. Then we're using our monthly printable from Irene Plans, which is one of our printable planner partners. Then we're gonna use the meal tracker and the mood tracker, which I printed on sticker paper, and these are from Plannerology, another one of our partners. And then I'm gonna be using the bullet journal stickers from Plan Fantastic, another one of our partners. And then I'm gonna be using my months, my this year, my days of the week, and my week of stickers that I created for you guys for this month. And then we're not gonna get too crazy. We're just gonna jump into this, but it's gonna look ridiculously cute, I think. And I'm hoping that you guys have not seen this type of style yet, because I'm trying to go outside of the box of bullet journaling. And once again, we're gonna make it super easy for you. So I'm thinking at the end of each month, I will just print out a picture that represents the entire month and stick it right there. So I'll show you guys what picture I chose in my February Plan With Me video. And then I'm just gonna go over to my months, and I'm just gonna stick January right here. So I printed out Irene Plans calendar, and what I'm gonna do, instead of hand draw my calendar, I am going to, which I had originally intended to do, I'm gonna cut out her printed one, because in my last bullet journal where I was just scribbling everything, the one thing that I didn't like to be really hand-drawn was my month. I think I'm just attached to the idea of the month being professional looking. There's things in life you simply need to know. To make in my key a diagram of where each month is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this to the page with one of my pieces of washi tape, and it's going to go right on the edge of the paper. Black and white stripes is where January is, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to put that along the edge, and then I'm just gonna rip it off because washi tape is good for ripping. And then if you really like that, if you don't want to tack it down, you can have a magical spot in here for extra doodads, maybe some pictures, maybe something, or you could even tack a little piece of washi tape.
There's things in life you simply need to know.
In our index, what I'll do is where January starts, I'll take a little piece of this washi tape and I'll stick it next to it somewhere. So I'll show you my index in February too, because I'm still nailing this one down and making sure that it's perfect. So all I'm gonna do for the week of is there's a couple things I do wanna use. And one of them was the meal planner. But since this meal planner is kind of big, I printed this one. This is designed to print full sheet, but I printed it 4 per sheet on a piece of sticker paper so that I could have a bunch of them. And they're sticker paper, so I can stick them in my planner, but I don't want to take up this much space on my week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually stick it to the other side of this paper right here. Okay, so this sticker paper is the sticker paper I use for Print and Cut. It's in my Amazon store and I buy it by the pack of 100, and it's pretty inexpensive and it works great. I know people have a lot of issues with the Cricut sticker paper in their printer. It doesn't work the best. And then I just cut it on regular paper setting. Okay, so I stuck it to the paper so that, wait for it guys, wait for it. So this is gonna flip. What? It's gonna flip. And so it's gonna flip out so that it doesn't take up space, but it's also cute on the side, so I think it's perfect size for a picture. What do you think? Maybe a before my weight loss picture? I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, so then all I gotta do is tack that in somewhere, but I'm not gonna do that until after I figure out how my layout is gonna look.
Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in.
Realistically, I'm gonna do my weeks all differently, probably, but I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of washi tape on the corner of this so it stays down, but then I can just pop it up easy if I want to, but it'll tack it down, keep it down. So you can do this with like a to-do list. You could do like your events and then put this in with a to-do list, but these are just all the little ideas that I had for January. Now, I'm gonna lay out the rest of my weeks exactly like this, just for my first month of doing this, because I already know I like this. I don't wanna get too crazy, okay? So that is our January, and I just wanted to start super simple and get you guys on board. So really what you'd wanna do before you get crazy like this is really decide exactly what you want in there, set your printer up to get it all printed, and then be ready when it's time to be ready for it. So I will be back in February to show you the ending result of January, and we will plan February together. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.